welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be mixing the skin tone of this reference image using just the primary colors black and white. One thing I want you to know about mixture of color is you can achieve any specific tone you want, provided you have the primary colors with the black and white. This is brilliant red, this is lemon yellow. I made a video on my channel talking about how colors lean on each other and how to mix bright colors. You might want to watch that video to understand how this color leans to each other. So lemon yellow is a yellow that leans to blue, and what that means is it's a yellow that can give us a vibrant green when mixed with the right blue. This is cerulean blue. This is white. And we also have black. So there is one key rule to mixture of color that you need to understand. You go from the light to the dark. It's very much advisable to go from the light to the dark so that your colors don't turn out muddy, or you don't eventually waste a lot of colors that you do not eventually use. So let's start by mixing this dark shade. So from our mixture, we can start by mixing the brilliant red and the yellow. Remember, I said this yellow has a little bit of blue in it. So if you are not using lemon yellow, you can also use other yellow. You can use orange yellow. All you just need to do is to understand how these colors link to each other so that you can know what quantity of which color you need to add into your mixture. So this is looking like orange. We are trying to get this kind of burnt sienna brown here. So our focus is to get the burnt sienna brown. We can add more yellow to it. Also, when you mix the three primary colors together, you get the brown color. So you need to test by using a little bit of blue first. Just like I said, we need to go from light to dark, so you must not put too much so that you don't end up wasting your colors. Now from the little I put, I can see that is kind of too much, but it's still bearable. So we are not there yet, and from what I can see, you see that the red in my color mixture now is way too much than the yellow in our reference. So you add up more yellow to the mixture. Also, we need to look into the value of the color. The value is the darkness or the lightness of the color. If we look at this mixture now, is looking too dark to what we have in the reference image. So all we have to do is to add white to bring the value closer to the color we are trying to mix. Also, you might not want to do too much with your white so that it doesn't make your color lose its value and all. At this point, we are having something that looks pinkish. So I think we are close, but the white we have in this mixture is too much. So mixture of color is a thing that you master by practicing. It's not just about combining two colors in certain quantity. It's by practicing and looking at how colors relate, what colors you need to bring together to make certain tone. So from this mixture that I have, I feel we are close to the color we need, but we just need to make it a little bit darker. So let's add in more yellow. A little bit of red, because we are trying to just make it slightly darker. So we can add more yellow to this mixture, and that will be okay for the tone there, for the dark tone. So I think this is a better color mixture to the last one before this. So this is better for that shade there. And if you want to mix other tonality, you can pick from this, add a little bit of white to it for spaces like this. However, there are some spaces on the skin that would have a little more of red or more of yellow, depending on the light source and the environment. So that is one of the reasons why I actually don't agree with having a specific skin tone mixture. Painting realistic artwork and mixing skin tone has a lot to it. It's a combination of several colors and several lights, so you just have to study values at every part of your reference image. So this is having same value with this, but the red is looking too much, so I have to add more yellow to our mixture. So I think this is a better match to that. This is our mid-tone, this is our dark tone. And for the lightest part of the picture, which is here, now I feel we just need to add white and yellow to this. Yes. Be careful not to add in too much yellow, because it can change the overall look of the mixture. This is way too light, so let's bring a little bit of this into the mixture. Values matter a lot in realistic painting, so you must make sure that not only that you got the mixture right, you need to get the value of that color right. And this is where most artists miss it. I make mistake in this part to myself in some cases or in some instances. So it takes a lot of practice to get your value right, and also a lot of observation. After painting, you might even need to observe if you got that value right, or you have not blend in any other color to distort the value. So with these three base colors, you can achieve painting these reference images. This reference image, with these three base colors, you can achieve painting this reference image, adding a little bit of pink where there are pinks, like areas like this, and areas that have more of yellows too, you add yellows to it while painting. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll be making more videos like this to help learn how to mix colors better, and not only skin tone colors but colors generally, because if you can master mixture of colors, then your paintings are going to be 50% easy to achieve, because colors plays a lot of role in your painting. Thank you for joining this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and if you'd like me to try something else, let me know. Bye for now.